Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can create and manage folders in Kroolo. Here we have Kroolo dashboard. To create a folder, click on the plus button next to the workspace name and select Folder. Input your desired folder name and press Enter. As you can see, we've just created a new folder. You can add boards, projects, forms, goals, and documents to your folder. However, you cannot add portfolios, channels, or teams to the folder. Now let's add some projects to our folder. Click on the drop-down menu, then drag and drop your chosen project into the folder. As you can see, we've successfully moved a project into our folder. Click on the drop-down, and here's the project that we just moved into the folder. Let's add another project. Drag and drop your project into the folder. As you can see, we've added another project to our folder. Next, let's add a goal. Click on the drop-down menu, scroll down to see a list of all the goals, then scroll up to drag and drop the goal into the folder. As you can see, we've successfully added a goal to our folder. For additional options, click on the three dots. From here, you can rename the folder, change the folder's icon color. Simply click on this and choose your desired color. As you can see, the folder color has changed. You can also move this folder to another folder, Create in Folder. Click on this, and you have the option to create a new folder, board, project, form, goal, or document within this folder. And lastly, from here, you can delete this folder. And that's it. That's how you can create and manage folders in Kroolo. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.